Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you for a brand new 90-second bread in the microwave. It's completely new, but it tastes more like bread than you can ever imagine. So here I have it right now, and I put a little egg on it, and I'm going to do a taste test. Here it is. For some strange reason, it's got a yeasty taste, and I don't know why. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin with this recipe. Here I have a square container. This is where we're going to put in all the ingredients and microwave it too. It's square because that's how bread should be. We begin with 6 tablespoons of almond flour. In that goes into the container. Next we have 3 tablespoons of whey protein isolate. See that you use the isolate and not the concentrate. Next we have 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal. I've got the golden one, but if you have the brown one, that's also okay. Next goes 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of xantham gum, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Give that all a good dry mix in the same container. And now we're going to put in our wet ingredients. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, in that goes 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, in that goes, and we're going to give it a mix. Lastly, we are adding 4 tablespoons of hot water. It should be between, not piping hot, but hot. And 4 tablespoons, in that goes. We're going to see that it's nice and level, and it's ready to go into the microwave for 1 minute 45 seconds to 2 minutes according to your microwave wattage. And here we have it after that 2 minutes. Here we have it. I'm going to slice this into 2, and that's what it looks like. And I've toasted one of the slices, and this is a completely new recipe. I hope you enjoy this recipe and make it. And see you in my next video. Lots of love. Bye then.